You guys are simply amazing. I have some great news. Oh my God, this is so great for the channel. Roll the intro. What's going on, guys? And as I mentioned, I have great news. We finally reached 100 subscribers on our YouTube channel here at GeekSourceHD. I thank you guys. You guys have been amazing. You guys have been giving me your comments, your questions, your concerns, your suggestions, and I appreciate all of it because it makes this channel what it's going to be in the future. So I thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. You know I love you guys. All right, so let's get right into what this video is about. Last week I introduced a segment to you guys called Geek and Weekend, and it was my first weekend vlog, and now I'm here with my second vlog for the weekend, and we basically wanted to get out and go out and take photos and shoot videos. So I was thinking of little places where we can go. And also it's my little brother's birthday. He turned 18, so we tried to actually do something to celebrate that. So let's see how this video goes. So initially starts out, of course, me in the morning, and you know, I was tired and had to drop my wife off at work, and so we start from there, and let's see how it goes from there. What's going on, guys?
You know, you hear me, I'm not in the video. Because we would have recorded that.
Time for that the weekend vlog. Got the family right here. Got my little niecey down there. Got my little sister right there with the crazy hair. And then we got the birthday boy. The birthday boy. Say happy birthday to him, y'all. He 18, playing Gears of War on the big screen. I'll see y'all later. So what do we have on today's agenda? Today on today's agenda, we have driving the wife to work, washing the dirty car. Then we're gonna take the birthday boy to Dave & Buster's later, because that's what he wants to do, because he likes to play video games. He was playing Gears of War just now. He's nasty. He's nice in it. So yeah, we're in the nasty Bronx. This is where we live in. You know, it's gonna probably take us about an hour to get to the Rockaways to drop Fuzzy off for work. And hopefully she started the car. That's what I asked her to do. And also we're gonna do some nice little tricks with cameras. Got my tripod. Got the camera bag. So yeah. Look at her. She's getting ready for work still in the car, doing her hair. Women. Look at this, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I'll catch y'all there. What's going on, guys? So I just dropped my wife off at work, and remember last week when I said, oh, there's some hidden gems in Rockaway? Well, I found another one. It's pretty much like a fishing spot over here. It's another fishing spot. It's on the bay as well, but they just built a ferry service over here where it helps commuters get from the Rockaways to like Manhattan, Brooklyn, and New Jersey and things like that. So there's a really nice area that I want to show you guys. It should take like 2 seconds. Coming right back at you. Here we are. We are out still in Rockaway, but it's a very nice area. I want to show you guys. Very nice. Of course, it always includes water when it comes to the Rockaways, but yeah. So check this out. Very beautiful. A lot of people come over here and fish, but you know, people like me just enjoy the scenery. But yeah, so again, very nice view. Very nice view. here, over there, right there, is where they do the have the ferry coming through. So tell me that wasn't cool, guys. Anyway, let's get back to the house so I can wash this dirty car. So I knew I was gonna say that I was going to my house to wash it, but it was too many mosquitoes. Too many mosquitoes, so I brought it to the car wash, washed it myself at the damn gas station. That's it. All right, so yeah, so next time you guys will hear from me will be when we're at Dave & Buster's. All right, guys, so we were gonna go to Dave & Buster's for my little brother's birthday, but change of plans. Something came up and pretty much we're not gonna be going. So as you can see, things did not go quite according to plan. We ran into some problems with my family, and it kind of didn't pan out for my little brother going to Dave & Buster's. So we wound up just celebrating at the house and doing things for him there. We bought him some things. You know, I bought him a new watch. He likes these G-Shock watches. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, he likes the G-Shock watches, so I bought him one of those. But then on Sunday, we decided to take a trip out to Rockaway because we had to help my mom move. Now, last time I mentioned that this was my old house. In my last vlog, I'll just indicate it right there. You guys can just click on the link there and you can look at my first vlog. But in my first vlog, I indicated that we had moved and things like that. I lived on the first floor. My mom lived on the second floor. So what I had to do was go help her move her things out. And so when we were out in Rockaway again, we decided to take a trip out to Tribute Park. It's a beautiful place out in Rockaway Park, and it pretty much pays homage to all of the fallen heroes of September 11th. So I created something nice for you guys. It's my first B-roll. I kind of like Peter McKinnon on YouTube is my inspiration when it comes to B-roll. So he kind of got me like going with this whole cinematic or cinematography thing when it comes to B-roll. So I hope you guys enjoy this B-roll of Tribute Park. Roll it. All right, so after Tribute Park, we pretty much went home and pretty much got ready for our next day of work, you know. So I'll give you guys a brief demonstration of who I am and give you a full in-depth interview of who I am so you can fully understand why it takes me a little bit longer to put out these videos. Give this vlog a thumbs up if you liked it. If you didn't, you know what to do. Please subscribe to the Geek Source family. We love to have newcomers, and we thank you again, all of you people that have stood with us since the very beginning. I thank you, I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.